Hello, this is Siba Mtongana. Yes, it is Miss Sibalicious and the Taste Tube Kitchen. I'm making easy summer entertaining dishes, and I'm starting with my bongo chicken, which is spatchcocked and brined. It is a Congolese inspired dish. There are literally women on the street of the road who would cook this in big drums with wood in order to make it nice and smoky, and they put this gorgeous paste. Now watch me do this. I've got my chicken, and to spatchcock it, I usually like to first press it down like this before cutting it. I prefer cutting it with scissors. It's easier than using a knife. I'm going to open this up and make sure that it is as flat as possible. I'm going to create a brine solution for it. So first thing I'm going to add to this is thyme, because it's my favorite herb. I've got some star anise, peppercorns. I've got some Worcestershire sauce. You could use some soy sauce, but I prefer the touch of sourness of the Worcestershire. And then my two main ingredients for any brine, sugar and some salt. And then I've got some water, and the water must literally cover the chicken. This has been brined overnight. I'm going to pat dry my chicken and make sure that the skin is as dry as possible. For the bongo chicken paste, I've got some spring onions, garlic, parsley, some thyme, it's the predominant herb, brown sugar, some chilli, this is completely optional, oil to make this into a loose paste. That is perfect. The two most important spices is the allspice and some cinnamon. That's what makes this a bongo chicken. And lastly, flaked sea salt, and if it's smoked, even more better. Now I'm going to place this all around. Take the rest and place it on the inside. Cover it with foil. There we go. Ta-da! That is my bongo chicken. So I've got my gorgeous wrap. And then take a big chunk of my chicken. Look at that. Somebody stop me, because I'm about to have this whole chicken all by myself.